This is a short video on how to fix your gas grill. If these flavor bars, where they go on, the thing rust out and you can't put them on there anymore. So what I did is buy some of these angle brackets, like that, as you can see, an angle bracket. These are 3-inch, maybe 3.5 inch, something like that. The flavor bars are 4-inch across. I've already screwed one in here. What we did is just basically take it and drilled holes and got as close as we could without really measuring, but got it as close as we could. There was 2 holes already left over from the old bar that was on there holding it, bracket. Make sure that these are stainless steel. They're not galvanized because you don't want chemicals in your food. And I did get stainless steel screws and right there, and bolts. So we are putting these babies on there, and what happens is this one here is going to go on here like that, back on there. We already had a bracket over here that was still okay, and they fit on there perfectly like that. See, just like that, no moving around. Looks pretty good. And it's an Oklahoma Joe's. I did want to get rid of it because it is a great barbecue grill, smoker, and all that good stuff. And so what we're going to do is try to put the next one on here. And if I can get the, I already got the hole. I drilled a hole through here. Then my beautiful assistant Linda is going to come over and help me. My beautiful wife. We're going to grab another one of these screws. Of course, like I said, make sure you get stainless steel. I did get these right here. Ooh, the ones that have the little nylon in the middle of them. I guess that'll be okay. If they get hot and burn up, who cares? They're on the outside there. And because on the outside, here's what we have. I used a little longer than I probably should have, but who cares? Nobody sees it back there anyway.
Well, these are cheap.
So anyway, that's what's happening there.
These lips are cheap they put on.
And yeah, my wife is saying that they look so cheap the way they do these things. See, these just rust out right here big time. This one I'm going to have to probably use, since we have this in the way, just some regular self-tapping screws into there that came with those angle brackets I got off of Amazon. This one here I'm going to have a little difficult time with. I'm going to put one underneath here probably to get it buttoned up. I'm going to probably put one down here like that, and just to keep it, just a bracket to keep it held in place. I think that should work. The other 2 or 3, those all look fine. Of course, watch me move it and break, but it's not going to. So that one there needs a little bit of help right there. So we're going to definitely help that one out. But I still got to put one more right here. Got one there and there. And that's about it on how to do that. So I'll let you know how it does on the next one. Just following up here, just to show you exactly what we're doing back here. Get one of those, put it on there.
Yeah, these lips are like really.
Take this and there we go on right there. I'm going to tighten this little baby up. Get it tightened up. I could put a third one in the middle, but I don't see any point in it. I think two will be just fine. I was going to put 3, but I mean, I still could put 3, but I think 2 will be good enough. I'm tightening this baby up as hard as I can. It ain't going to break, I don't think.
Yeah.
Let's get this other one here too real quick. We're going to tighten this one back up too. I didn't.
Hang on.
Ready?
No.
Nope. Linda is holding the screw for me on that end. And that one's all tightened up. So we've got that all screwed in there. Like I said, I could put a third one here, but I don't think we really need to. I'm gonna probably have to go ahead with a put one up in here too. Right there like that. See that?
Oh, yeah, to hold the...
For the grill, for the grill itself. The
Yeah, yeah.
All right, we'll get back with y'all. Show you another video here shortly. So we did put that one in there, and seems to be working okay. It's holding it, so just it's laying on top of it. It's good enough as long as it's going to stay. That's cool with me. It's good to go. So now we got to put one more up in here to fix that part. Didn't have something correctly to get that even with, but that seems to be working just okay like that. Piece of PVC across there, and I should be able to butt that up right up to there to know exactly where to put it. This side was a little bit more trickier. We had to, actually I needed to put the brackets the opposite way so it was easier for me to drill straight in, and I just used the self-tapping screws that came with it instead of the bolts, the screws and bolts. Probably could have used these on the other side too, because these do tap in really well. As you can see, I mean, they go, I drilled a hole first, a little small hole to get these to go in good, but they seem to go in pretty darn good and tight. So this one here I might just leave alone. Seems to be okay for now. We're gonna have to put one over here though too, and then we're all set. So I'm doing right now, I'm drilling the holes in there. This one's a little bit tougher because I was trying to figure out the length, and I'm gonna have Linda hold that for a minute while I show you how I'm drilling in there. Show you how I'm drilling in there. Making just a little hole so it makes it easier for the self-tapping screws to go around. Oh, there we go. Hey, okay. So there's that. And then I'm going to take the screws. Not going to put it totally tight in there yet. If I can find the hole. Which it looks like I am totally all messed up here on this thing. I am way too crooked maybe on this. I don't know. We'll see. Looks like I'm too crooked, but maybe it's just my imagination running away with me.
It's perfect.
It might be. It might not.
Like you.
Oh, shoot. Okay, come on. We're going to get this yet. There we go. I think we found the hole. This one's being a little bit of a bugger to get in there. Now, if it's straight, that'll be a miracle. It looks crooked to me. Guess we'll find out here shortly. I screwed that in there all the way that hard, but that's okay. Oh! That scared me. I don't know what happened. And we're almost done with the reverberation of the grill. So, if everything goes right, this one's going to go on here like so. Oh, looking pretty good. All right, now we're gonna see if all these fit on here, all right? They should. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good, not bad, not bad. And the last one. I probably should just go ahead and replace that bracket too, but I don't know why I didn't. I should. And there we go. It's all fixed up, ready to go. And everything looks like it's level. Yep. Ta-da! That's the way to fix a gas grill for very inexpensive. I think the angle brackets cost me, I think those are like 14 bucks. The screws were like $6. The bolts were like $6, 12 bucks there. So, you know, probably all in all, maybe close to $30 at the most to fix it and have it working right. So this whole thing looks like it's going to work just fine. One thing that I did forget to mention, I just took them all off of there, is the flavor bars, which are here. You got those on Amazon too. I can't remember how much those were. It seemed like they were around 25 bucks. So maybe I do have a little bit more. Maybe I got around 50 bucks, 55 bucks invested in fixing this thing at the most. Better than spending another $500 for another Oklahoma Joe's grill. So smoker is totally fine. Just hope that one there is going to hold up. I probably should have went ahead and replaced this one right here, but it seems fine. It's very sturdy. Just watch me break it right now when I do something to it. But anyway, that was the second sign off for this. So that's my video for how to fix your gas grill instead of throwing it away. And my beautiful wife Linda's going to film me right now taking the bourbon toast of happiness.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Over and out.
Over and out.
Thank you for watching my video on how to repair your gas grill. This is just a little thing my wife and I came up with, and it's working out beautiful for us. Good luck, and God bless, and have a great day, and good luck fixing your grill.